There was a lot of buzz last year about the world's largest lithium-ion battery developed in Hornsdale, South Australia, using Tesla PowerPack batteries. In its first year, the facility saved over $40 million and helped to stabilize and balance the region's previously unstable electricity grid. The usage of battery storage is truly changing the ability of electrical grids to respond to the transient nature of renewable energy sources. For such carbon-free resources to be viable on a utility scale, enormous battery storage systems on the scale of Hornsdale are required. To address this demand, Tesla has created and engineered a new battery solution called the Megapack. Megapack's mission is to drastically minimize the complexity of large-scale battery storage while also making installation and grid interconnection simple. The Megapack comes completely constructed from the factory with up to 3 megawatt-hours of storage and 1.5 megawatts of inverter capacity. According to a Tesla news release, by using Megapack, Tesla can construct an emissions-free 1 gigawatt-hour plant on a 3-acre footprint in less than 3 months, which is 4 times faster than a standard fossil fuel power station of that size. The Megapack system can also be directly connected to solar, decreasing losses while converting to AC. Neoen, a French energy business, has revealed a gigantic new 400-megawatt Tesla Megapack project in Australia. It'll be one of the world's largest energy storage installations. Tesla Megapack has swiftly established itself as the leading battery pack for large-scale energy storage projects. Neoen had a hand in it. Tesla had the Power Pack before the Megapack, and Neoen chose it for one of the first large-scale energy storage projects employing lithium-ion battery cells. Neoen owned the initiative, which proved extremely successful and profitable. Neoen has recently revealed new projects and is now utilizing Tesla Megapacks. Now the business is introducing another enormous Tesla Megapack in Australia's southwest Queensland. It'll be one of the major Tesla Megapack installations in the world, with a capacity of 400 megawatts. The system will be used to deliver grid services and assist in stabilizing the Australian grid, which has been adding renewable energy generation at an increasing rate. Because of this, Tesla's recently decided to update the Megapack with a little more capacity. Elon Musk stated on Saturday that Tesla Megapack would significantly contribute to securing a sustainable energy future for the planet. It's the next version of their large-scale commercial energy storage product, which they originally released in 2019. The previous Megapack has been said to store up to 2.6 megawatt-hours of energy. The stationary storage system now holds 3.9 megawatt-hours worth of rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. The Megapack is intended for use by utility companies as it can be charged off of renewable energy sources such as wind and solar, which are intermittent. Megapacks can then smooth out this energy to be used by the grid when needed. If you think about it, it's also robust enough to deliver high power during peak energy usage times. Elon Musk has stated on multiple occasions that Tesla Energy, which today is just a fraction of the size of the automotive division, will end up being even larger. However, this hasn't been apparent over the last few years, with the stationary battery division still remaining small. It's showing little growth and negative to low profitability due to redirecting batteries to the more important vehicle business. However, as Tesla's VP of Investor Relations has recently stated, things have begun to shift. For the first time I remember, he said, we could access all the supply we needed for both businesses, referring to both the energy and automotive businesses. He said that in the most recent quarter reported this past week, Tesla's stationary battery deployments started to break out, growing an astounding 85% over the previous quarter. It doesn't seem like it's stopping there. This is a meaningful increase as it represents almost a gigawatt hour above just the previous quarter. Tesla derives the majority of its energy revenue from the commercial Megapack and the residential Powerwall, both of which hit records in the quarter. Tesla's PowerPack device is essentially a smaller version of the Megapack for commercial use, and it seems to continue to be available from Tesla, but more as an off-menu item. They still seem to sell a lot of it, but it doesn't appear to be on the company website anymore. Regardless, the Megapack is where the real scale is at, and it's set to lead the charge going forward in expanding the energy division. The new Megapack, released in the middle of last year, is said to be 60% more energy dense than Tesla's previous generation PowerPack device. It's also about 50% larger in kilowatt hours than the previous version of the Megapack, weighing 60% more, coming in at 83,000 pounds. This new megapack comes in two configurations. It has a 2-hour and 4-hour duration. The 2-hour version has just a little less energy storage capacity, but it can supply twice as much power and costs about $100,000 more than the 4-hour version. This likely has to do with more expensive electronics in order to sustain such a power increase. The price of the megapack could fluctuate depending on which U.S. state it's set to be delivered in, and there's also a discount for ordering them in bulk. There's also an $8,000 maintenance fee on a per-pack basis and a $700,000 optional installation fee for the 2-hour pack, and this installation fee rises just marginally for each megapack added to the order, but it appears to be a lot cheaper. It's only $300,000 for the installation of the 4-hour version. The earliest delivery date, according to Tesla's order page, is for Q3 in 2024, so they seem to be highly backlogged on this product. Up until now, Tesla's been assembling megapacks at its Giga Nevada factory. They come pre-assembled to the buyer when ordered, and they're built to be about the size of a shipping container so that they can be easily transported, although the new megapacks are approximately 6 feet longer than their predecessors. However, Tesla's been hard at work bringing up its new megapack factory in Lathrop, California, which aims to produce 40 gigawatt-hours worth of megapacks per year. This seems to have started contributing to Tesla's sales, which is why stationary storage has started to break out to new highs. While the Megapack factory assembles the packs, the battery cells themselves can come from Tesla's own Giga Nevada factory or even third-party suppliers. The Megapack isn't too picky on which types of batteries are used compared to vehicles that are more specific now. On the most recent conference call, it was exciting to see that Elon Musk said 4680 battery cell production was gaining rapid traction, having grown 3 times over just the previous quarter. It's not clear where Tesla's deploying their new 4680 cells, yet the majority seem to be going towards the Tesla Model Y. But as long as Tesla's vehicle division is satisfied with battery supply, then stationary storage can remain. Tesla's only limited by the number of excess battery cells they have and the rate at which it can produce the rest of the battery pack. Assembling batteries has been the core limiting factor, but now Elon Musk has publicly stated a new interim target of 1 terawatt-hour vertically integrated capacity. Keep in mind that 4680 cells are also going to be produced at Giga Berlin, which doesn't seem to be part of this aspirational number. Originally, the target was set for 100 gigawatt-hours by 2022 and 3 terawatt-hours by 2030, though with an exponential growth rate of 1 terawatt-hour. It shouldn't be achievable until at least the second half of the decade, assuming the 3 terawatt-hour target by 2030. But if Tesla can achieve this, perhaps by mid-decade, then they may be ahead of schedule. On a leaked conference call with Elon Musk, 300 to 400 terawatt-hours were mentioned, alluding to the amount of energy needed to transition the world to sustainable energy. It seems that Tesla isn't happy with hitting 3 terawatt-hours by 2030, as the industry would still need to be a 100-fold increase to make up the difference and transition the world into renewable energy. Elon Musk's vision and sense of urgency appear to have escalated as he says Tesla's headed toward an unprecedented future. This is excellent news for Tesla, as the market's so large that they can produce as many battery packs as they want, and they likely won't have any sort of demand issues for the foreseeable future. Also, the stationary storage division, according to Elon Musk, will now considerably outpace the growth rate of the automaker at an estimated 150 to 200% per year. And so it will begin to catch up to the vehicle business, although it makes up about 5% of their revenue today. So it'll still remain smaller than cars for many years to come, but the gap will begin to narrow. Though Tesla had record gigawatt hours produced in energy storage last quarter, the financials didn't seem all that great. Tesla sold over $1 billion worth of products in a single quarter, which has never been done by the company before in terms of energy, but their expenses ate up most of that gain. It came in just $100 million less, which shows about a 10% gross profit margin, which was slightly better than the previous quarter in terms of gross profit dollars. Final thoughts. Elon Musk has previously stated that Tesla Energy, which produces Megapacks and Powerwall battery storage units, has the potential to surpass Tesla's electric vehicle division. Currently, the profitability of these products is influenced by the cost of cells from suppliers. However, as Tesla increases its own battery production or negotiates better deals with suppliers, the profit margins on these products are expected to improve. For now, we can only expect great things from the Tesla Megapack in the future. Thanks for watching. Till next time.